In today's video, I will walk you through how to change the language on Whitebit. If you prefer using Whitebit in a different language, you can update the platform's display language in just a few clicks. This changes the language used throughout the interface, making it easier to navigate if English is not your preferred language. To begin, look toward the top right corner of the Whitebit website. Near the support section, you'll find the current language option. It may display a language name or a country flag, depending on the version of the website you're using. Click on the language option to open the list of available languages. A menu will appear showing the languages that Whitebit currently supports. Scroll through the list and select the language you want to use. As soon as you click your preferred language, the website will automatically refresh or update, and the interface will switch to your selected language. If you don't immediately notice the change, try refreshing the page. In some cases, signing out and signing back into your account may also help apply the new language across every section of the platform. You can return to the language menu anytime if you want to switch back to your previous language or try another one. There is no limit to how often you can change this setting. And that's all there is to it. Changing the language on Whitebit.